Hello, I'm Scott McNeese, Director of Voice Technology at ArkX Laboratories. I'm here today to give you a brief demonstration of how our EveryWord far-field voice capture solution uniquely delivers an unmatched voice experience compared to standard far-field technology. To meet the consumer demand for a significantly better voice experience, we developed EveryWord Ultra Far-Field Voice Capture, featuring Cirrus Logic SoundClear technology. Our Amazon-qualified, production-ready, and custom solutions work beyond 9 meters, even under the most demanding conditions, can be heard clearly down a hallway, around the corner, or in another room altogether. Hear and understand you over loud background noises by filtering out competing audio distractions. And EveryWord's barge-in performance is so strong, your voice agent understands your commands without having to drop playback volume of your TV, for example. In the following video, we will demonstrate our own Amazon-qualified dev kit with a 4-mic Y array. EveryWord will be asked typical questions or commands at various distances going back 9 meters. First, very loud background noise, and second, while streaming very loud music, all in a normal home setting. The recording mic will place your ears right where our dev kit is, and while it will understand every word I say, I challenge you to try to do the same. Let's get started.
Hi. Purple is spelled P-U-R-P-L-E. The time is 4:21 p.m. Right now, it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Hi there. Right now, it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 56 degrees. Green is spelled G-R-E-E-N. The time is 4:25 p.m. Right now, it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Purple is spelled P-U-R-P-L-E. Dime is spelled D-I-M-E. Right now, it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 56 degrees. It's 4:26 p.m. Right now, it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 56 degrees. The time is 4:27 p.m.